Write a program that subtract a number stored in memory location 2600H from the number stored in 2601H. Store the absolute difference. The meaning of absolute difference is positive difference. Store the absolute difference in memory location 2602H. The two numbers are there. The first number you have to brought in accumulator and second number you have to brought in any one of the general purpose register. Suppose first number is brought in accumulator, that is 0A, and second number is brought in register B, that is 03. In this case, a bigger number is in accumulator and smaller number is in register B. As a bigger number is in accumulator, directly we can subtract the content of register B from accumulator so that the positive difference is stored in accumulator. But suppose reverse is the case. Second case is that the smaller number, that is from first memory location, that we have taken in accumulator and bigger number in register B. At that time you have to swap the numbers. How to swap the number? From accumulator take the number to register C, that means smaller number goes to register C. From register B take the number to accumulator, that means the bigger number comes in accumulator, and from register C again transfer the number to register B. That means here in second case also we brought the bigger number to the accumulator and smaller number to register B, and we can subtract the register B. That means if bigger number is in accumulator and smaller is in register B, directly subtract. But if reverse is the case, smaller number is in accumulator and bigger number is in register B, swap the numbers and then subtract. This is the logic behind the program. Now, as the logic is clear to you, the program is very easy. We will take data 1, LXI H2600. HL will load with number 2600. Move M to A. Number from this memory is brought to accumulator. Then INX H. HL becomes 2601. Move M to B. Number from this memory location is brought to register B. Then compare B. A and B are compared. A is bigger. As A is bigger, carry flag is not set. As carry flag is not set, jump no carry. Go to the instruction where down label is there. Here down label is there, and at this memory location 200D, subtract B instruction is there. That means 3 is subtracted from A and result is stored, that is 7 in accumulator. Increment H, it becomes 2602 and store the contents of accumulator to the memory location. This is the first case. Now let's proceed for the next case, second case. Suppose data 2, first number is smaller, LXI H, it becomes 2600. Bring the number from that memory location to accumulator. Accumulator will have number 04. INX H, go to the next memory location. Bring the number from that memory location to register B. Move M to B. Here it becomes 0A. Compare B. Both are compared. Accumulator is smaller. Accumulator is smaller. That means carry flag is set. As carry flag is set, you have to execute these three instructions. If carry is not set, then directly go to the instruction labeled down. But carry is set. Move A to C. Move A to C. That means content from accumulator is transferred to C. Then move B to A. This number is transferred to A. Then C to B. 04 is transferred to B. Subtract B. You will get answer A minus 4 equal to 06. INX H 2602 and move A to M. Number from that memory is transferred to number from accumulator is transferred to memory 2602. Now the same program you have to execute. Reset set memory 2000. Already program is stored. I will increment up to 76. That means up to end of the program. 21 00 26 7E 23 46 B8. This is the program written in the microprocessor kit 76. Now you have to take the number at 2600. Reset set memory, go to 2600, increment, take the number 0A, increment, take the number 03, increment, and now execute the program. Reset, go 2000 and execute the program. As you executed the program, accumulator is having 7, register B is 3, C is 6, and all the contents of the register you will get here. Now to check the result, reset exam memory, result is at 2602. Increment, you will get result as 7. Now change the number. Reset exam memory 2600, increment. Now we will make the number as 04 and increment. Now we change the number to 0A and increment. The difference will come to be 06 after execution of the program. Reset, go 2000, execute the program. Now go to memory, reset exam memory 2602 and then increment. Here you will come the result as 06. The same program is there. That program can be executed here with the help of the different type of simulator. Here I will show the program as well as the contents. I will show the program. I will make here content as 00. After execution of the program, you will the contents as difference between them, that is 0A and 03. I will execute the program here step by step. Step 1, all the contents become 0, program counter to 2000. Next step, it becomes 2600, it goes to 2600, bring the number and to the accumulator. Next, number from this memory location brought to accumulator. Next, HL becomes 2601. HL becomes 2601. Number from that is brought to register B. B becomes 03. Next, compare instruction. Carry is not there, directly go to the down. Subtract B gets executed and you will get difference here as 7. Here you will get difference as 7. Next, INXH and to this memory location 2602, the number is transferred. Here you will get the 7. Here you will get the 7. Next, you will get the answer as 7. Now we change the number. Here I will make the number as 04 and next memory location I will make the number as 0A. I will remove the answer, make it as 00. Now I execute the program directly without step. Okay, I will go step by step. First step, all becomes 0. HL, it gets executed directly. Okay, I will execute it step by step. 2600, bring the number to accumulator 04. 2601, bring the number to register B 0A. Compare. Now condition is not satisfied, therefore these three instructions gets executed. A will be shifted to C. Okay, A will be shifted to C. C becomes 04. B will be shifted to A. It becomes 0A. C will be shifted to B. It becomes 04. Now subtract, it becomes 06. Now increment HL, it becomes 6. 2602, and the answer you will get here as 06.